Imagine this. You are holding a small cigarette today, a tiny piece of paper and leaves creating smoke. But have you ever wondered who was the first human in history who looked at smoke and decided to breathe it in? To find the answer, we have to travel thousands of years into the past, before cities existed, before money, before writing, before almost everything we know today. Ancient humans lived in a dangerous world, dark nights, freezing cold, wild animals everywhere. But then they discovered something that changed everything. Fire. Fire gave them warmth. Fire cooked their food. Fire protected them from predators. But fire also created something mysterious: smoke. Every night, ancient humans sat around the fire, watching smoke disappear into the sky. But one day, something different happened. Plants and leaves fell into the flames. The smoke changed, the smell changed, and humans became curious. What was hidden inside this smoke? Thousands of years ago, humans started using different plants with fire. Not like modern cigarettes. There were no factories, no packets, no lighters, only nature. Some ancient cultures used smoke during ceremonies. Some believed smoke connected them with spirits. Some used special plants in their traditions. Over time, humans learned that different plants created different effects, and one of those plants was tobacco. Archaeologists found evidence that humans used tobacco thousands of years ago, long before the modern world. For ancient people, smoke was not just a habit, it was mystery, it was culture, it was a connection with nature. But thousands of years later, everything changed. A simple plant became a global industry. Ancient smoke from a small fire turned into modern cigarettes around the world. The first humans who saw smoke probably never imagined that their small discovery would travel through thousands of years and reach billions of people, because sometimes at the smallest human curiosity can create the biggest changes in history.